Did you hear that? That's the sound of celebration. You see, a new baby just arrived. Welcome to the Birthing Center at Aurora Medical Center in Summit, where we celebrate each and every birth. Where you and your baby will receive individualized care within a warm and welcoming environment. And where a dedicated team of physicians and specialists provide an unsurpassed level of care. At the Birthing Center, our patients come first. Our new regional medical center offers a full range of healthcare services for the entire family, conveniently located under one roof. We offer a comprehensive series of on-site childbirth and parenting classes, and our beautiful birthing center has been designed to offer all the comforts of home. Our expert medical team includes physicians and advanced practice providers who specialize in women's health, obstetric services, neonatal, and pediatric care. Our physician clinics are located on site next to our birthing center, ensuring that you will be in close proximity to your doctor when you are ready to deliver. Our specialty-trained neonatal advanced practice providers are on hand at all times, assisting with every birth. We also have skilled neonatal intensive care nurses on site. If your baby would have complications, we are ready to handle any situation. Your entire birthing experience will take place in your personal birthing suite, allowing you to settle in during your stay and bond with your baby after delivery. And after your child arrives, we'll help you develop a personalized learning plan for your postpartum transition. For breastfeeding moms, our board-certified lactation consultants are available to provide caring, supportive assistance. We welcome you to visit our beautiful facility and tour our exclusive birthing center. We invite you to view our online schedule of classes and tours. For more information or to schedule a personal tour, please call 262-434-2229.